Hey there, viewers! How drinking more water every day will completely change your body. Food is usually the first thing we think of when we talk about fuel for the body. But what about water? Where does this essential component go in the equation? It's simple. The human body is composed of roughly 60% water. This means that nearly all our systems do not function well without proper water intake. Yes, food is important, but even more so for water. That is why it's always advised to drink more water every day. Trust us, just this simple act alone will completely change your body. For starters, you will feel more energized. Curious how water does this? Find out more in this video, so make sure to stay tuned. Enjoying the video so far? Show some support and hit that like button. You'll be in a better mood. Dehydration disrupts mood and cognitive functioning. Of course, it won't make you brain dead, but it can cause fatigue, confusion, and anger. So if you're feeling any of those, try drinking more water and see the difference. You'll have more energy. Food fuels the body, yes, but drinking more water also gives you more energy, from as simple as staying awake at your desk after lunch to as energy-consuming as doing strenuous physical feats. Without enough water, you feel off your game and can cause you to feel sleepy or tired. It keeps headaches at bay. Dehydration is also known to cause headaches, specifically migraines. Consider drinking more water every day and you'll notice how it can ease the pain. Also, being more hydrated can help lower the duration and intensity of your headaches. It helps with weight loss. First off, water helps flush out the digestive tract, eventually leading to weight loss. Another factor is that it's very filling, so drinking more of it can keep your stomach feeling full. And the fuller you feel, the less food you're likely to eat and the lower your overall calorie count will be. Needless to say, drinking more water is life-changing enough to significantly make a difference in your weight. It promotes a lower resting heart rate. A lower heart rate is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Dehydration causes your heart to work harder since there's less blood circulating in the body. So make sure to always have water readily available so you can give your heart a break anytime. It clears the skin. It might not be as life-transforming for others, but for some with acne, drinking more water is gonna be a game changer. When you drink more water, the body can flush out toxins more efficiently. These toxins include dirt, germs, and other grime that cause blemishes. Even for those who have dull and dry skin, drinking more H2O might just be the solution you're looking for. You'll be more focused. Ever experienced a foggy brain moment? It's like when you forget what you need to do the moment you enter a room. Well, this probably can be exacerbated by a lack of water in the body. Hence, by drinking more water, you can hydrate your body and improve your focus. Are you convinced yet? After all, there's a good reason why a person can survive more days with only water than with only food. Tell us what you think about this video below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.